What should I choose? Data analytics or business analytics? And here's the honest answer. Don't choose yet. Test both. Because in theory, these two fields look similar, but in reality, they feel very different.
Data analytics is about working deeply with data, cleaning datasets, writing SQL queries, using Python or R, finding patterns, trends, and insights. You spend more time with tools and numbers.
Business analytics is about understanding business problems, translating data into decisions, creating dashboards and reports, working with stakeholders, explaining what the data means and what to do next. You spend more time with context, strategy, and communication.
Now, instead of guessing which one suits you, do a 2-month trial. Month 1. Try data analytics. Learn basic Excel plus SQL. Analyze a small dataset. Answer questions like, why did sales drop? Or which product performs best? After 1 month, ask yourself, did I enjoy working with raw data? Did I like solving problems through numbers?
Month 2. Try business analytics. Learn basic dashboards. Power BI, Tableau. Take a business case. Convert data into insights and recommendations. Then ask, did I enjoy explaining insights? Did I like connecting data with business decisions?
If you enjoyed data analytics more, then go deeper into technical skills. If you enjoyed business analytics more, then focus on storytelling, dashboards, and strategy. And if you didn't enjoy either, that's not failure. That's clarity. Trying early saves you 1 wasted year, expensive course fees, and career regret later. A clear career path isn't chosen by trends or opinions. It's chosen by testing, reflecting, and deciding through experience.
Hey, welcome to Manny Says Learn. I share real-life lessons and practical advice to help you learn faster and avoid common mistakes.